I have 4 minutes left in my camera.
Okay. We are going to discuss the muscle of the vertebral column and trunk. First, we are going to look at the diaphragm, which is essentially the top part of the thoracic chest. And then we go further down into the abdomen area, where first you will see the external obliques, and that muscle usually is headed down, and it's more
Downward position.
Yeah, downward position. And then inside, you see the different sections of the abdominals. The first part is a transverse. The second is a rectus.
We're closing up there.
Okay.
And then on this side, more straight into, it's the inside part of the obliques. It's called the internal obliques. And then if you look above, these are the intercostals right above the abdominis.
What color is it?
The
red?
red is the intercostal, which is a more downward position. And then the intercostal external, the purple, is going more up.
Oh, okay, I see.
Do you see that?
Yeah, and then the external obliques, it's like a sheet over.
It's a sheet over the entire abdominis.
Okay.
And then also in the back of the body, where the spine and the floating ribs originate from, is called the quadratus lumborum, and it's very deep. You cannot see it on the mini-man. However, you will be able to see it on a picture in the book. Okay. And it's attached to the floating ribs, and that is it.
Woohoo!